Bitcoin rolling over. Oh no, what's going to happen? Let's make sure that we are prepared for the trading day. What's going on? Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Let's jump into it. Last night we did a stream on the Sunday, quarterly, and monthly close, and it was very positive. Okay, looking at those, but we were getting a bearish divergence. We got that everybody fake out to the upside, and overnight we have definitely rolled over. So a lot of things to talk about, a lot of things to discuss on where we think we are going. If you're new here, thank you for being here. We got a free Discord, and we give trade setups. We give everything away for free, so come over and hang out with us. I forgot to even say good morning, so I'm going to say good morning, but I'm trying to get you these videos as fast as possible. We do an update video in the morning, then we do a live stream at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're also going to take a poll today in the Discord about doing a longer term live stream, making sure that the time frame is right for you guys. Okay, so we gave a couple setups yesterday, and a lot of them have been invalidated on AVAX and Super. Now, this was general ideas. Okay, these are things that I'm looking at as a possible opportunity. When I do give a trade setup that I am going to enter, I do have a more detailed entry and position, kind of letting you guys know what I'm looking at and how I'm looking to get into that trade, etc. Okay, so going back to AVAX and Supra, okay, they dropped through those areas, came back down to key levels of support. However, Bitcoin did roll over, so that should have been your indication that, okay, maybe we don't want to go long here. Now, looking at this, we had that positive weekly candle close, right? And now we were trying to front run this with the 3-day. So we can see we're getting some sort of well, we're making higher highs here. We're getting higher highs here, but we are rolling over a little bit. Money flow isn't fully coming out, and it has flattened out on the VWAP on the weekly. So for me, I'm not too bearish as of yet. Okay, there's nothing that's screaming topping signals. Okay, we could just be consolidating sideways here. Now, consolidation sideways, I'm down. Easy to trade, and we will get our levels for you guys so that you can trade alongside with us. Now, looking at this 3-day, the 3-day, we are anticipating a crossover. However, we are getting posturing to the downside here. You can see we've got rejected off the zero line. This could suggest continuation to the downside unless we flip bullish here. Okay, now that's going to be printing the next one come Wednesday, so we'll have a better idea. Now, going into the 2-day, we also can see that we are coming down to the zero line. We definitely want to see a bounce on the 2-day, and this will print at the end of the day today and about 12 hours. Okay, so we want to front run that bounce, and we can see the daily same thing coming to the zero line. We want to see that bounce. With this, we can see we definitely have that kind of anchor trigger wave continuation pattern. So that could suggest that we are coming down. However, money flow is still very thick in the green. Okay, so that's very much negating that kind of move for now. Okay, looking at the 12-hour, we flip through here. We can see that we do have a nice flag here. Okay, we have pushed up and we have created a nice flag. Now, one thing I want to bring to your attention is that on the CME futures chart, okay, we didn't create a gap overnight, but we do have a big gap down below, and that's right around 66,400. Okay, so that's something for you to be aware of in the future, so that if we do come down, we could possibly come down and fill this gap down here before heading back up. Okay, that's a very high probability, but we want to be prepared for absolutely everything here. So now looking at this, we can see we are consolidating sideways. I have a couple of areas of interest for you guys so that we can look to trade today if we get a bounce. Okay, we're looking for a bounce and a continuation. Going into the 6, we can see that we have this triple kind of continuation downwards, right? But VWAP does look positive. Okay, we can see that we did get into the green money flow, which is a good indication of continuation, right? Where we can see this kind of anchored trigger wave, VWAP coming back up and crossing over later on in the day. Okay, now going into the 4-hour, this is where it is looking a lot better than I thought. So we can see here where we're getting that continuation of money flow. Now, this is key, right? Whenever you see a continuation of money flow, it drops off the map here and then it comes back in, right? You can see it happen here. Big move up. Okay, so big move up, we can anticipate a possible continuation to the upside. Okay, that's a very good medium to short-term indication of where we think this is going. Now we can see this is a simple flag, right? So I've pulled fibs from swing lows from all of these points here. and got some confluence here within our areas where we're looking for possible trade setups. Okay, if we do lose this level and bounce and get some bullish divergence within these areas, then we can look for the possible trade. Okay, now we can see we are finding support here, which is the golden pocket. Okay, you can see within here, this is our golden pocket just below where we're trading at right now. So that's a good level of support. Also, we do have some key levels that we have marked out on our charts prior to this, that we will look to extend this to. Okay, so right now we are looking to get back above this area. We'll pull the volume here, and we can see that we are trading below at the value area low. We want to definitely get up around, let's call it 70,000, psychological number, to continue pushing to the upside. Now, this was quite a heavy dump. We could see Wall Street come in and push against this, kind of push down overnight. You know, they're waking up, they're ready to trade. It's Monday. Happy Easter, but let's get to it. They've got all this chocolate in their system, and they're feeling pretty good about the Bitcoin price action, and hopefully that pushes price up. Okay, so also, we have economic calendar here. Now, April Fools, I'm not tricking you guys here, but we do have Wednesday Chair Pow Pow speaking, okay? We have jobs tomorrow and manufacturing today. So, I mean, there's some things going on, right? There's some things going on that could affect the market. So let's keep our eyes peeled, our ear to the ground, and prepare ourselves when these time frames arise. So today, 10 a.m., there could be a little bit of volatility. So be prepared for that, right? Now, going back to this chart, we're looking for a bounce from selected areas, such as this one here, around 68,000, let's call it. And then we have another one right around 66,800, okay? Now, the CME gap is way down here, somewhere around this area here. Oops. Somewhere around this area here. So we're not going to really be concerned with that until we get there, okay? I don't see us getting a flash crash all of a sudden, okay? So very much important for us to hold this level, get above 70,000 and continuing upwards. Looking at the 1 hour here, yeah, you can see there's a bit of bullish momentum crossing over the zero line here. Money flow is coming down, so cautionary tale. Let's wait for some good structure to be formed. Now going into the 30-minute, you can see this is a bear flag, wanting to continue to the downside possibly. So you can see that, we can look for that. And then we're looking for that divergence, right? If we get a swing failure pattern here like that, and then we get a momentum wave like that, then we can look for that bullish divergence and that continuation to the upside, okay? A reversal, right? Or we can look for some sort of exhaustion wick and then higher highs and higher lows to be formed, and we can get in over here or over here to ride this wave to the upside, okay? We can also track momentum to the downside by taking this straight down like that, and we can look for a break of structure in the short-term time frame. So zooming in here, we can see that we have made a higher high here. This is a good sign that we are trying to get moving to the upside. Break a structure here. So we look for the retrace and then the breakout or the retrace on that momentum line and continuation upwards. So there's many opportunities here, depending on your risk management and what you're looking for. For me, I'm possibly favoring definitely this to roll over and get that swing failure where again that continuation anchor trigger wave and continuation to the upside. Okay, money flow is red right now, so I don't really want to fight it. I want to let price come to me, set the trap, and crush it. Okay, definitely looking for that. So let's be patient out there, guys and gals. Be very patient. Okay, we can see a lot of things have rolled over, giving us possible buy opportunities as well. So don't not consider a DCA into some of your favorite things. Today, there could be some good opportunities. Looking over the market, we can see the ICP is doing well. Near protocol, okay, dog with hat still continue to be quite volatile, and Doge and Shiba. Okay, so these meme coins are doing well. Okay, Injective looking like it wants to move as well. Some very, very good signs in the market that we are just having a little bit of a correction. I mean, $33 Injective, I think, is a possible good buy as well. And then dog with hat, we were buying down here, so continuing to push its price up as well. So there's the meme coins. It's a red day in the market. Let's see if we do get a bounce back, okay? And be patient out there, my friends. So Bitcoin, hopefully we can see this continue upwards. Much love to every single one of you guys. I will see you guys later on this evening, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Much love to every single one of you. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Monday. Much love. Peace out.